whoa, whoa, whoa. Calm down, calm down. Relax. We have the Mi 9T. Everybody's on fire. Everyone's on fire. So this phone, finally, I was able to hold this phone. Oh man, the Mi 9T. Look at this black box. Nothing but black. Nothing but black. I mean, guys, this is the, as you can see here, the 6GB RAM, 128GB of storage, blue color with green. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. It's slowly opening. Bam. There you go. Whoa, it's nice. And I have the some paperwork, and we have the SIM ejector. Let's open up, see what we have. Oh, we have a case, and we have paperwork. That's good. And then we have the phone on the back here. Just try to take it out. There's no screen protector, by the way. There you go. Enjoy, guys, enjoy the color. Look at this. Look at this thing. Oh my god. I'm gonna make, just take a minute, guys. Look at this. Just take a minute. Just absorb the energy. Absorb the magic. Absorb the Mi 9T. Right, it's over. It's over. No more magic mushroom trips. It's over. Okay, so if I pick this up and just do this like just like this, people will start falling on the ground. People will just like, oh, you shook us. And then you have a full screen here. And look at this, guys. Full screen, guys. Wow. Wow. Full screen phone. I'm just amazed, guys. Sorry, I'm just being quiet. I'm just, you know, I'm just shocked by this design, color. It's magical. The only thing I can explain or describe this phone is magical. So let's take a look at the case over here. Side. This case, oh, looks good. I mean, it's good touch. It's kind of, it's not that like the cheaper cases, the rubbery cases in the other boxes. This one is again the plastic premium. Do not bend it too much because it's gonna break. So it's kind of hard case. It's nice. Let's see what's inside in the box. You know, this got what? Paper. Oh, I don't care. We have, whoa, what is this? We have this guy. I thought they're gonna provide me with a three-way plug. All right, I don't care. I mean, look at this charger. Let's take a look at the information here. Power adapter, output, it's a fast charge, right? Yeah, 5 amps, 3 amps, 12 volt, 1.5 amp. Yeah. It is not, it's not the, it's 18 watt charger. It's not the 27 watts. This comes with the K20 Pro. No, K20 Pro is in China. It's coming to India as well. So congrats, guys. Over there we have only the Mi 9T here in the Middle East. And you know, the cable. That's it. That's the box. But the real talk is this guy. Alright, let's take a quick look at the IOs. From the top we have the pop-up camera, which is first in the channel. We have a headphone jack. We have a microphone. On the left side we have antenna only. Whew. On the back we have a SIM card over here, and it doesn't take SD card, just the SIM card. That's unfortunate, but hey, give it a pass. It's a beautiful phone. USB Type-C. We have another microphone and a speaker. On the right side, nothing over here, and we have power. Look at this power. Look at the color. It's totally red. It's beautiful. And then we have the volume up and down. It's very tactile, very high quality. I like it. Now if you flip it, once you enter the magic mode, okay, before you shoot some magic, we have the 48 megapixel camera on the top here with the with multicolor. I don't know what is this, guys. Anyways, it's a 48 megapixel. It says AI triple camera. I don't care. I like the color, the shape, everything. So we have 40 megapixel. We have a 2x zoom. Is it 2x zooms? Yeah, this is a 2x zoom or 2 times telephoto camera. Now this guy in the back here, as you can see, it's very narrow. So when you see a narrow camera like that, you know it's a wide angle. Let me just double check if it's actually narrow. Yeah, it is narrow. So it's a wide angle. This is the wide angle, and underneath it is the flash. Now if you switch down to the Mi logo over here, just a Mi logo. Now folks in India and China have Redmi, and it's called Redmi K20. They have another model which is K20 Pro, which supports Snapdragon 855. Now this is the Snapdragon 730. The 730 is around it's between the Snapdragon 835. It's actually, let's say, the upgraded version of Snapdragon 835. So it's a great processor. Awesome. You can play flagship games. That's it about a phone, guys. So what I'm gonna do now, the next video, I'm gonna go through the setting. I'm gonna check things out. I'm gonna download some stuff, and we're gonna see another video. So if you enjoyed the video, please like it, share, and subscribe. See you guys later.